Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients and prep before cooking to streamline the process. Use 2 pounds Yukon Gold potatoes for creaminess, 1 cup mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons mustard for tang, and 1 2-cup chopped celery for crunch. Hard boil 3 eggs and chop them. Measure 1 4-cup onion and 2 tablespoons vinegar. Have 1 teaspoon salt and 1 2-teaspoon black pepper ready. Preparing and measuring everything first makes the assembly quick and ensures even seasoning throughout the salad. Cut potatoes into 1-inch cubes so they cook evenly and boil them in salted water until fork tender, about 12-15 minutes. Drain and immediately shock the cubes in ice water for 5 minutes to stop cooking and preserve texture. Drain again and return to the bowl. Fold in the chopped eggs, 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons mustard, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 2-cup celery, and 1 4-cup onion. Mix gently to keep some potato chunks. Then chill the salad at least 30 minutes for flavors to meld. Once chilled, taste the potato salad and adjust seasoning. Add up to 1 teaspoon more salt or 1 2-teaspoon more black pepper if it needs lift. If you prefer brightness, stir in another teaspoon of vinegar or a tablespoon of sugar for balance. Garnish just before serving with a sprinkle of paprika and 1 tablespoon chopped parsley for color. Keep the salad refrigerated at 40 degrees F or below in an airtight container. Store for 3-4 days and discard if it sits out longer than 2 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.